These 3 minutes of impact will define the key elements of a program summary: the goal, objectives, outputs, and activities, which will be used in developing the program's logical framework. The first element is defining the program's goal. In international community programs, this should come from the community. The goal is the general summary of the desired state that a project is working to achieve. There is only one overarching goal for a program. Goals should be brief, general and high level, clear or understandable to all, visionary or forward-thinking, and importantly, the goal is something that cannot be achieved by a single team alone. It requires the complementary work of others to be realized. Objectives are specific statements detailing the desired outcomes of a project. If a project is well conceptualized and designed, realization of a project's objectives should lead to the fulfillment of the program goal. In EWBUSA programs, there should be one stated objective per project. Well-written objectives articulate who will be reached, what change will be achieved, in what time period the change will occur, and where the change will happen. Many struggle with the difference between goals and objectives. Goals are aspiring and far-reaching and are not limited in terms of time or other measurement. Objectives should be measurable, quantifiable, time-limited, and action-oriented. The test of a goal is to make certain that it fits within the organization's mission. The test of the objectives is that they lead to the accomplishment of the goal. Expected results are the direct outputs of the program's activities. For example, 15 people were trained in a maintenance workshop, or 5 kilometers of distribution pipe were installed, or the report was produced. Many struggle with the difference between outputs associated with results of activities and outcomes associated with objectives. Outputs are the infrastructure built, the trainings conducted, or document resources. In other words, the tangible results of the project activities. Outcomes are knowledge transferred and behaviors changed. Outcomes are the difference made by the outputs. Activities are specific actions or tasks undertaken by project staff designed to reach each of the project's objectives. To achieve the intended results, activities need to be linked to each other, focused on the project objective, feasible to accomplish, in other words, resources are available to perform the activity, and appropriate for the target objective. Activities are what you do with what you've invested, or the human and financial inputs, in order to produce the expected results. The list of activities then creates the project budget. In addition to providing a defined focus for the team's activities and an understanding of how those activities work towards meeting the stated goal, these 4 elements are what make up the first column of the logical framework matrix to complete the program summary. If you have questions on this material, please reach out to Tiffany Martindale, our Impact Analysis Director. With general impact reporting questions, please go to ewbusa.org and scroll down to the Contact Us link in order to reach the Help Center. Thank you.